Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today we're gonna upgrade our barbecue kit set. So today I was sent this because they wanted me to take a look at it and see what you get when you purchase something like this. And this is something that I was very pleased with. I actually opened it up and I like the bag itself. I like everything that comes in a little bag and everything could be set up properly back to where it was. I love that, organizing the stuff. So if you're gonna have a barbecue this summer or next summer or during winter, this might be the right thing for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what you get when you purchase them like this. So let's open it up. If you guys see these right here, these are actually for the corn. You actually put corn on there. You corn on the cob. You set them up together. And this is a plus. This is I haven't seen in any of the kits, to be honest with you. And this is actually a knife. It's really sharp. I could actually tell, and it has a little hanger too, if you guys could see that, so you could hang it somewhere. Pretty simple, you know. I like this. This is a plus because I have not seen a knife in any of the kits. Mostly the times they don't give you that. They give you something else in between. So this is a plus. This is a must. I mean, for barbecuing stuff, this is great. Look at this, guys. This is another great tool too that I've seen before. Now this is to put any kind of sauces, barbecue brushes. This is pretty a little mop kind of thing. It's a silicone kind of thing mop. So you could dip it up in your sauce and start scrubbing it out. This will give you a lot of good flavors for any kind of meats that you're gonna set up or barbecue. So this is a plus, and it's easy, and it's dishwashable, so you could always wash this. Of course, all this is stainless steel, so there's not going to be any rust on it, and it might last you for many years to come. So that's another plus. And of course, they give you the fork, the two-pronged fork. And this is a great tool. This is something that every barbecue should have, to flipping meats over, to flipping hot dogs over. This is a must. And like I said, every single tool has a little hanger too. So this is a thing that you could hang anywhere. If you have, say you have a kitchen or you have a barbecue system that has a couple of little hangers, you could hang these out there. And this is something that I like. It's very unique, the hanger too. And it's, like I said, it's all stainless steel. Let's continue. Look at this. This is something that I've not seen in any other barbecue. And this is pretty much a salt shaker and a pepper shaker too. And of course, this is you could put your own ingredients. It doesn't have to be salt or pepper, but they give you two of these little containers, and along with the cover and their logos on the side embedded in laser. So this is a plus. Look at that. And it's a one single scoop, one single dropping. So it could be, like I said, something thin enough. They don't put the thick salt crystals because they won't pass through. This has to be a little thin, if you guys can see. There's a little tiny hole there that not a lot of ingredients can pass through there. Especially if you have those mixtures with herbs and spices, this might not pass through on this one right here. So make sure that you put in the right ingredients. On this other one, we have this. You might be able to pass some of the stuff through. So this is a plus. So it's for pretty much salt and pepper if you want, or like I said, your own ingredient. Now let's take a look at spatula. Spatula, this is freaking sharp. If you guys can see it, this could actually be used as a knife, as a flipping knife. And this is actually a nice little fork, but everything is really sharp right now at the moment. So just be careful. And on top of it, you got a bottle opener here. So this is a plus too. People don't even know that they have that built in the system. So this is a plus, a bottle opener. So you're drinking some beer, opening some water. And of course, you have the hanger too. So this is a nice little addition. This is actually really good. Some prongs to actually flip things over. I like the grip. All the grips are really nice. They're strong, sturdy. They're all everything's stainless steel. Like I said, dishwashable. Everything's could be just thrown in the dishwasher, including the silicone brush. Of course, you know, you could throw that in the dishwasher. Just make sure you put this on the top, because if it warms up, this might slip off too. So just be aware of that. Now this is pretty sharp here in the edge right now so far because it's still new, but it's something to get used to. And is the Shish Kebab. To make shish kebabs, this is perfect. You know, you got these, instead of the wooden ones where they fall apart, this is actually a really good thing to use. So you can use this for a lot of things too. You know, it doesn't have to be particular. You could actually poke pies and cakes and stuff like that, or taste test too. You could do all sorts of things with this. So I've seen a lot of unique ways to using this too. How they stand up chickens, they make a little teepee, and then just stand up the chickens pointing out, so the chickens could be on top of the actual grill and grill pretty good. So there's a lot of people that are clever out there, a lot of videos that are coming out with some cooking advices, and this is great tools for all you guys that are doing barbecue or gonna just cook at home. You could use this indoors or in outdoors. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. We're out.